Hello, myself Devjani Ghosh, Assistant Professor of Institute of Advanced Education and Research. Our campus is a management college based in Bengal Intelligent Park, Salt Lake, Sector 5. And today we have come here with BBA and MBA first year students for an industrial visit at Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited.
What is your feeling about our IAER management students?
See, as much as I had interacted with they're good enough in their particular skill set if I talk about. Obviously, as I had told earlier also, they need specific mindset kind of session where they can develop thinking positively, they can bring out the positive from each and every activity.
Sir, as a safety officer, what is your advice to the students, management students of IAER college?
For your college, actually, I'll advise. See, safety is the major and utmost priority for an industry. So, to run an industry, we need means nowadays it is the target is zero accident. So, zero accident we have to maintain. If there will be accident, there will be loss of property. Overall, there will be loss for the industry, and there will be great means major impact will be also there, and also there is a moral, people moral. If once there will be accident or there are multiple accidents, then normally people think these industries are not doing good. There are means lots of means accidents are happening. So we have to reduce that accidents. So our target is to what type of safety measures means you are giving so that you to safeguard our employees, our workmen, and everyone. So this is required for the student also, as they will grow and they will come to industry. They will directly relate to this thing. So that is the requirement of our safety. So they should know the safety system first.
It is a basic.
It's the basic requirement.
Before start working anywhere.
Yes, yes.
Tell me your experience about today's visit.
It was a wonderful experience. It was a first industrial visit from our college IAER, and we got to understand a lot about the industry, how the main field works, how the actual corporate sounds like, and how manufacturing is done. We got to know about all that. We got to learn about the safety measures taken in a factory around them, and seeing such a big property, and only 15% of the cement manufacturing is done here. Getting to know a lot of facts that were never imagined before. So it was overall a completely ultimate and a very good responsive experience.
What you have learned from today's visit, this industrial visit at Dalmia Cement?
So this visit was very informative. We got to learn about a lot of new things, how cement is made, the procedure, and the way it's stored. We got to learn the wagons and the stations are solely made to transport the intermediate products and the final products to the needed location. And we got to learn about the machineries that's been used in this industry. And this being a very huge property, we have been traveling by bus, and we saw many sites which are very important for this procedure. And this was an amazing takeaway from an information and a knowledgeable point of view. and I believe that it will help me in my long term and in my future.
So students are enjoying very much. They are learning so many things, the whole setup, the cement factory. They have given a very nice presentation. And the students of MBA and BBA, they also gave the feedback that they are enjoying a lot. They are very enthusiastic. And as it is their first visit, they are very enthusiastic and loving the whole thing.
So definitely it's a great moment for all of us.
So would you like to visit our IAER campus?
Uh, sure, that will depend obviously because we are having a requirements in our particular fields. But as is a manufacturing industry, we specifically require the technical guys and the technical hiring, campus hiring driven by the HO itself. Sometimes we are part of the panel and accordingly plan for it. And we personally, I wish to visit and wish to see you all.
Today's visit with the first year students, management students of IAER was really wonderful because this first year students were just beginning, right, of their professional career, need to understand about the future, where they will be. So this is a, you can say, like giving a vision to them where they will stand in future.